Hello, Michael again. Today I just introduce you the reflow solder paste processing, a key process for PCB assembly. Let's take a look at like the reflow solder paste. Reflow soldering is a method used to solder surface mount components on a PCB. The board is coated with a solder paste. Components are placed on it, and then the entire PCB assembly goes through the reflow oven. Heat melts the solder, creating strong electronic and mechanical connection. This is a reflow oven. They have a 10 temperature tool. First, this is a preheat tool. Second, soak tool. And the third, the reflow tool. And fourth, the cooling tool. You have a look at this. So reflow soldering is a fast, precise, and ideal for mass production. It ensures consistent quality and works well with small and delicate surface mount components. Just take a look like this reflow soldering machine. So I will show more videos later.